Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Dogecoin, which is currently just consolidating. It's not really moved much over the past few days from this support level at 20 cents that we have. However, all its other competing meme coins are crashing down. Now we're going to go into the entire market and Dogecoin today, but before we do, make sure you guys go check out the Discord down below. We've been absolutely crushing inside of there. You can see on the screen right now just how many trades our members are winning. It's absolutely insane. So yeah, make sure you join up so you don't miss out on any of those. Now, as we were saying, Dogecoin hasn't really been moving. And why is that? Well, Dogecoin is the strongest of the meme coins, and Dogecoin is obviously the strongest of the meme coins. It's the largest meme coin ever, and it really acts as more of an altcoin right now. So whereas we see all these memes crashing, another 6% today, 3% today, Doge is able to just consolidate, because when money flows into memes, or at least starts to flow into memes, Dogecoin is always going to be the first one. It's sort of like the Bitcoin for meme coins. When the entire market crashes, Bitcoin is always the first to see some sort of move up, and then all these other altcoins will follow. So that's why. But where will Dogecoin be going this week and just overall in the longer term? Well, what we've been preparing for is essentially this crash. We've had dollar cost averaging entries here at 20 cents for quite a while. If you go back and watch the previous videos, you'll know we set some here. We also have some set right at 15 cents, and we also are going to have some set, if we go down to 10 cents maybe. So we're prepared for the worst if the market does continue crashing. The reason it could continue crashing, if the war in Europe furthers and the US gets more involved, if the trade wars go further and again the US gets more involved, a lot of political issues that will essentially cause a crash to continue if they're not resolved relatively soon. And that's why we've been seeing Bitcoin and the entire market really crash. So Bitcoin crashed down to 78,000. It's since been picking up, but again, it's sort of like when we get these support and resistances and we break through and then we retest and then continue the dump. So that's what it sort of looks like it's going to do right now, unless there's some sort of really good news, a catalyst maybe that is able to push us back up, break some of these highs, and then we can actually start to maybe build on this $90,000 area as a new support. We already established this previously on Bitcoin, so I don't know why we wouldn't be able to do it again, but we have this huge gap right here that needs to also be filled. As for Dogecoin, it's already done its huge move down to where it really was and should be, and it's all priced in now. We saw again it just absolutely rally when Donald Trump won and when the election was going on, and then we've sort of been having a lot of this void right here, fair value gaps and whatnot, essentially just creating a large void because there's so much buying power. It's not really stable price action. As fast as it comes up, it's going to come down as well. So it's usually better to have this slow moving upward trajectory like we've seen on the S&P, where it moves slowly. Although it looks like it's been absolutely pumping here, it does move slowly in an upward direction, and that's why it's able to continue upward directions. Yes, it has its odd flash crash if there's major news, but usually when it crashes, it will crash relatively slow and in a similar trajectory. Whereas crypto, if you look, it's rapid moves up, yes, slow consolidation down, rapid move up, rapid move down, and that's just usually how it goes. So now we're back down to the previous resistance, which could be used now as a support if the market is able to stabilize and maintain. If not, again, we're prepared for it. We're going to be waiting for 13-15 cents here. If it does come down, we're going to accumulate. If not, it can continue up, maybe 26 cents, 27 cents. It needs to break through 27 cents in order to really be bullish. Then we can look to 33, 38, maybe even 48, 50 cents somewhere right here. And that's what we have for Dogecoin. Obviously other meme coins, Dog with Hat is really underperforming, like one of the worst meme coins I think there is possibly to invest in. We were even actually looking for shorts right here, which we didn't enter, but it's in this everlasting downtrend, and any sort of gains it gives, it instantly takes back. So this is definitely a good coin to keep an eye out for shorts. Pepe, slightly more established, more of a community behind it with all the Twitch streaming and whatnot, but it's also giving back all of its gains, and it's already back down to where it was in August, September, April. So if you need to expose yourself to meme coins, Pepe might be in a good opportunity right now to invest in at this support area. SHIB, similar area to Pepe, still actually higher than it was in 2024 just before the pump. But I personally think Dogecoin is the best coin simply because it has the strongest community, the strongest background with it, and that background obviously being the US government and Elon Musk, the richest person in the world. Dogecoin even has its own department in the government by the name of the Department of Government efficiency. So, you know, it's definitely the strongest coin. It has the most backing behind it. Obviously, it's not incorporated yet into the US backend and the government, but it's sort of a meme that has just been built upon it. So yeah, definitely the best one in my opinion, although I don't really enjoy meme coins that much, you know, and I wouldn't invest in any other meme coin other than Doge. Maybe dabble in some Pepe Shib, but apart from that, I'd mostly look for altcoins like HBAR, for example. You know, we were talking about HBAR a few videos ago. Accumulations here at 18 cents. Since those accumulations were up 32%. That is crazy. You know, a lot of people are saying HBAR is going to go down. All your videos are wrong, but 31%. So yep, all good there. You know, if you leverage long this, didn't recommend, but if you did, start taking profits here. XRP also consolidating at a decent level here, $2.15, a relatively decent level. We were looking at accumulations under $2. We hit it just. If you manage to get in there, great. If not, we might come back down. You know, the market isn't stable yet. Again, Monday we're going to see most of the market and how it opens with the S&P. I doubt it's going to be very, very good simply because of what went on at the Oval Office on Friday. So yeah, I doubt anything great will come of that. SUI also at this support level looking quite okay. You know, potential risks to drop down to $2.20 if you want to wait until that area, maybe $2.40 as well. So these two areas right here. Fetch dumping down, it really does not have anywhere else to go. Maybe 50 cents, but oof, you know, I've never seen Fetch this down bad ever, apart from, you know, back in 23 here, and you know, when it was at 3 cents, 7 cents. It's crazy. It went from, you know, $1.20 to 7 cents back to $3 over, and now it's back down to 60. So high risk, high reward. I'd say relatively low risk, simply because there's not much lower where it could go. Maybe 50 cents lower than that. I really don't think so. And obviously the gains potential is relatively large. You know, if you just go to the previous highs, $2, that's going to be a 4x right there nearly. Polygon also looks decent. Render also on a good support level right here. This has been a relatively strong support in the past. We had it in July and previously in December, where it's, you know, rallied relatively high, went to double-digit figures from both of those occurrences. So again, decent area to DCA in here, or start buying in. Polkadot, another coin, been performing relatively well. As you can see, it's mostly consolidating. It hasn't been crashing as much as the coins. Yes, we crashed down before, but now we're in this sort of consolidatory period. AVAX, really slow mover. You know, we were potentially looking for shorts here, but nothing came of that. Overall, it's been really underperforming in this market. So, you know, maybe we'll look for accumulations at $16, $17, somewhere around there. Same with Solana. I say same. It's a lot better than AVAX, or at least the performance has been a lot better. However, now it's just at 140 here. Yeah, I think we hopefully get some accumulations here so we can head to like $200 again. I think $200 is a decent stable level for Solana. Apart from that, you know, lowest we could go maybe $110 somewhere around here with the previous wicks and the previous support we sort of had here just below 100. Under $100, it's quite risky. It's like a 40% dip, so maybe won't happen, but you know, 130 here, if we're able to start building accumulations easily, we can head to 200 plus. ETH, again, similar to Solana, underperformed this current cycle, not like Solana, but you know, accumulations and supports very similar to Solana. Very strong here at 2.1k. If there's not ETF inflows here, I don't know what they're doing, because they were buying up the pumps. You know, they bought 3.2, 3.3, 3.4k, 2.8k. They like buying the pumps and not the dumps. So yeah, maybe, you know, that's just their investment strategy with ETFs, but this is definitely a great level. And Bitcoin, again, we talked about this, 74 if we're gonna fall. If not, we need some sort of catalyst to boost us over the edge here. And if you did find the video helpful and you did enjoy it, please do make sure to like and subscribe. It will help out a ton. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.